Hey there, my beautiful soul. Danielle Corinne 999 here, and welcome back to my channel. So we've been talking about setting intentions for 2026. And today we're talking about physical intentions for 2026. Now, I'm not talking about just losing weight, not just going to the gym, but reconnecting with your body on a spiritual, emotional, and energetic level. Okay, so I hope you know that your body is the vessel for your purpose. Yes, you cannot step into the highest timeline of yourself with low energy. Your purpose requires strength. Your calling requires vitality. Your destiny requires a body that supports your elevation. See, physical intention is not about aesthetics. It's not about how you look on the outside. It's about alignment. In order to do that, in order to get aligned, you have to release the physical habits of 2025. And what were those habits? This is what you need to think of, and this is some of the things that you may need to let go of. Fatigue, let go of fatigue. Survival eating, procrastination, ignoring your body signals, staying in environments that drain your energy. We're not doing that in 2026. Emotional eating, not drinking enough water, not moving your body. We're leaving that in 2025. So I need you to write this intention. I hope you still have your journal. Please, I hope you have your journal for this series. In 2026, my body is my priority, my companion, and my responsibility. My body is my priority, my companion, and my responsibility. So here's some intentions that I need you to set, that you should be setting in 2025. I intend to build strength. I intend to nourish my body. I intend to heal, energized, and feel energized every single day. I intend to move like a woman or a man who values himself or herself. I intend to treat my body with respect and love. Make it identity-based, chosen one. Make it personal. Make it something your future self would be so proud of. Make it intentional. Create an environment where you are supported. Your environment affects your body, believe it or not. It affects your body more than your motivation. Your environment does. So change your environment, okay? Try getting healthier foods in your home. Very important. Making movement a daily practice. Removing toxic people. You got to remove the toxic people. You got to protect your sleep. Oh, that's a big one. People don't talk about that enough. You have to drink more water. And you have to create a peaceful space to wake up in. So when you wake up in the morning, you're in a state of peace and in a state of flow. Your physical intentions support your spiritual and financial elevation, which we've talked about before. And in the next video, we're going to talk about mental and emotional intentions for 2026. And I think this is a deep topic. Please don't miss it. I'm going to upload that video tomorrow. So we've talked about financial abundance for 2026. We've talked about we've talked about physical abundance, and we've talked about just setting intentions. And tomorrow we're going to talk about emotional and mental intentions. Very important to feel aligned in 2026. This is where we're heading, chosen one. This is where we're going. We're leaving 2025 in the past, all the bad habits, mind, body, and soul, and we're going forward into 2026. So if you're enjoying this series so far, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel so we can grow it. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you're with me on this. We're here to support each other. I'm here to support you, and you're here to support this channel. We're here to support each other. And share this with someone who needs to hear this important message so that we can step into 2026 together with nothing but abundance. All right, my chosen one, I love you. Have a wonderfully blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.